Yo, what up? It's Elgin the Entrepreneur. Let's get straight into it. So the whole make money online thing, you can also make money on apps. So this one is a little more, it's not passive by any means, but it works 100%. There's no way around it not working. Online delivery services. So me and my boy both joined separate ones this week in different regions. I'm up in the Northwest. He is down in Vegas. I did Instacart. He did DoorDash. With about 1 week's worth of results, I had to take a few days off due to illness, but he was able to push forward in his particular region. Between the two, averaging about $45 a day with a couple hours of work. So when you look at the website, it'll tell you like, oh, it's based upon your region, obviously, but for the most part, $25 an hour type thing is what they state. But within this time frame of us banging out like a couple hours worth of work, it wasn't consecutive, even including driving. Sometimes, I go back to the cribs, kind of hang out, wait for something that's worthy to pop up for me to take it. So it wasn't a consecutive, 2 hours worth of hardcore work to get $45. Nah, this is like, somebody dropped an order or somebody placed an order that was maybe 8 blocks away from the store that they ordered from. And that was like a $15 deal for me. You know what I'm saying? So definitely worth it. You know what I'm saying? So $45 a day minimum. I ain't gonna say minimum, but a couple hours worth of work for $45 a day. Imagine if you're going full time, or if you, got more time in your day, or depending on your region, it might be crazy busy, super popping, where there's always orders popping up. You can go ham. So I was grabbing what was available to me, but also working like a newbie because I didn't want to go in too crazy and mess something up, because there were times where with the Instacart, you're picking up you're basically grocery shopping for people. So, they place an order online, and you know how it is that you go to the grocery store, like there's not a particular item available. So on the website, they might select replacements. You can look for the replacement if they don't have the main one and kind of push forward from there. If they don't have either, or that's not listed, you have to kind of message them. Add a little layer of like not difficulty, but just kind of you weren't able to just run in, grab the items, take off, drop it off, and pick up the next one. I mean, it's kind of to that extent, but I don't know. I like it. So it's quick, easy, and it's legit versus, if you're still trying to, learning stocks and crypto and all other fun things, and, you got your good and bad days. There's no bad day besides gas price being up. So, but with you being able to pick where you want to work, you know what I'm saying? If it's a 20-minute drive, you don't want to burn that much gas to make a few dollars. You don't have to. You can pick something that's local to you. So I'll drop a link below if you want to check it out. Easy to sign up, quick process. A few training videos to go through, and from there you're off to the races. So take a look at it. Either or, again, it's the new wave of things. People like not able to go out and drive and get things, or just scared to go out due to the pandemic and all the fun stuff. So nothing to capitalize on 100%, but it's a quick little thing to put some little money in your pocket, gas money, pay down some bills, whatever the case is. So, you bang this out for a week, get $450, $500 a week, whatever the case is, easy work. Why wouldn't you? So anyway, just take a look at it. Link will be in the top. Talk to you later.